have my 1978 XL250S engine back together. I realized that the header is not an original header. It's something somebody must have made, because I ended up having to cut off the muffler. Now this is loud right now, but it's a lot quieter than it was a straight pipe. I've got my super trap on it, but that's not really fit onto it, and without it, big difference. So I haven't tuned it or anything, just breaking the engine in. I did actually ride it without the pipe on, just to make sure everything was going through the gears on it and working right. Brakes are a little bit soft, but I might have to replace the brake shoes on that. But otherwise, not bad. I think it's there we go. That was a little bit too much. So I think one of the issues is I got to work on that spring. The throttle cable a little bit tight, because probably stock. It's probably original. So maybe I need to replace that. But got to work on the pipe, of course. I've got to straighten out some electrical with the headlights, get the blinkers going, and well, the bike is running well after the rebuild. Thank you for everybody that gave me a hand and kind of talked me through it. It went together much faster and easier than it came apart. And I was a little bit anxious about getting the counterbalance chain correct and everything. That's all together. It's a nice bike.